garden tour in a rural place near Trichirappalli. It's in India. So what you see here is a lime tree. These are mango trees. Can you see the fresh green leaves? They're all around 9 years old. Next what you see is a turkey berry plant. We call that sundakai in Tamil. So this is a sundaka berry. Can you see? They have pentagon shaped leaves, and that's the sundaka flower, the white flower. Yeah, pretty small flowers. So we'll have these berries within few days. What you see here is a tall gooseberry tree. You can see actually clusters of gooseberries. It's a very tall tree, so whatever falls, like we just pick up and have it. That's another mango tree. This is another citrus plant, orange tree. Now what you see here is green chili. I'm just walking around, so the camera seems to be shaking. Yeah, so the white flowers are all going to become green chilies. Here, can you see the small green chili? Yeah, that's the flower. Yeah, and now you see the small green chili. Very cute, isn't it? It's also fresh also. Now as I walk further down, this is a banana plant. We just planted it now, so it will take time. And this is a tall papaya tree. We haven't got any yield from this, but it's been growing and growing. This is another citrus plant, orange tree. This is another banana. We planted 3 banana trees, so we'll be just waiting. This is also another orange tree. Then these are all mango trees. So this is a coconut tree, the short variety. It's a hybrid variety, 3 years old. But it's grown quite big. நல்லா பெருசாக வந்திருக்கு பாருங்கள், நல்லா இருக்குல்ல, ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்குது அப்படியே பார்க்கவே. இது வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது குவாவா ட்ரீ, கொய்யாப்பழ மரம். பட் இன்னும் பழம்லாம் ஒன்றும் வரல, பட் இருக்குது. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா திஸ் இஸ் pomegranate plant. So I'll show you the pomegranate flowers first. They have a very pretty orange color. How many of you have seen? See, so pretty. Yeah, and then you can see the cute pomegranate. Yeah, so cute. These are the ones which grow, and it will take time, I think. Yeah, these are all mango trees. Mostly what we have are mango trees only. And this is a neem tree, a very big one. Yeah, and these are all mango trees. Usually we have a very good yield, but now there's a lot of monkey menace, so they've been plucking all our mangoes, and this time we don't consume the mangoes. Now what you see here is a neem tree, and just behind that is a drumstick tree. Here what we do for drumstick, we don't allow the tree to grow taller. That's a well here. So this is the water source here. So you can see all the tube and all to water all the trees here. Yeah, so this is also a mango tree. So I'm just walking back. Can you see that coconut tree? We have a lot of keera varieties here, so I don't pluck everything. This is a coconut tree. This is a cute madulampalam. So yeah, so we use all this for watering and all the pipes what you see here. I'll give you another tour. Hope you enjoyed this live tour of my garden. I enjoy sharing with all of you. Do comment. Thank you. It's my first live video, so excuse for the flaws.